Okay, today we're going to be learning how to make a carrot. This is a small carrot. Big carrot. Medium-sized carrot. And then you just want to cut maybe about that much. Or smaller or bigger, doesn't matter. Then you're going to just fold it up like this. Fold it up like that. And use some of the not the carrots, but beads. You're going to need some beads. So if you don't have beads, then you're going to need some. And you're going to need scissors, pipe cleaners, and beads. So then you're going to take 2 green beads and put them on here. Put them on here and then just fold it down. And then you're going to see that one right there. You're just going to slip it on right there and then just fold it over. And voila, you have a carrot. So, yeah. And we'll make an apple.